Matt, well, in Bay Minette, we are celebrating our nation's Independence Day a day early.
Big fireworks show happening right now at the Sportsplex there. Let's take a look.
It is always so exciting and fun to see these fireworks. And of course, our Ariel Mallory is there. She's going to have a recap of what happened tonight coming up at 10.
Yeah, what's even more fun is listening to the reaction of the people watching the fireworks, especially the kids. You can hear them squealing. Great show in Bay Minette.
Well, only 2 shows tonight. You just saw the one in Bay Minette, and then there's another one at the Wharf. With the holiday being tomorrow, you're going to have a lot going on both sides of the bay. So in Mobile County, you've got the 5th annual Free Family Fun Day starting at 3. That'll be at Bayou Battery and Ralston Park. The City of Mobile's 4th of July celebration starts at 4 at Cooper Riverside Park. The fireworks start at 9. Pritchard fireworks celebration starts at 5 at High Point Park. And Baldwin County, Robertsdale fireworks display starting at 8:30 p.m. Daphne going to have fireworks at Tryon Sports Complex at 9. And then Gulf Shores starting at 9 p.m. at Gulf State Park Pier.